Following are instructions for adding exponents using each method. Adding exponents as symbols. Open the symbol dialog. Click the symbol button in the Insert Ribbon tab. Select More Symbols. Choose the font you want to display the exponent in. Choose the exponent you want to display. Select one of these options from the subset drop-down menu. Click on the superscript character to select it. Insert the exponent in your text. Insert the exponent in your text. Adding exponents using the font dialog. Select the text you want to format as an exponent. Access the font dialog. Check the superscript box in the Effects section. Click OK. This closes the font dialog and displays your selected text as superscript. Adding exponents with the equation editor. Open the equation editor. Click the equation button in the Symbols section of the Insert Ribbon tab. Select the Script option from the Structures section of the Design tab. Select the first option under Subscripts and Superscripts. This option displays a larger dashed line rectangular box with a smaller raised rectangular box to its right. Enter the number or variable, base, to be raised to a power. Enter the number or variable for the exponent. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.